Should you stick with one tool brand, or is it better to mix and match from different brands? Let's break down the pros and cons and see if brand loyalty really pays off. First, let's talk about brand loyalty. Many professionals and DIY enthusiasts swear by sticking to one brand. The biggest advantage here is compatibility. When you buy tools from the same brand, you often get batteries and accessories that are interchangeable. This can save you money and hassle in the long run. For example, if you're a fan of DeWalt, you can use the same battery for your drill, circular saw, and impact driver. This means fewer batteries to buy and charge, and it keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. On the other hand, brand diversity allows you to pick the best tool for the job regardless of the brand. Not all brands excel in every category. Maybe Makita makes the best drills, but Milwaukee has the edge when it comes to impact wrenches. By mixing brands, you can tailor your toolkit to your specific needs. Brand diversity also lets you take advantage of the latest innovations. Some brands are ahead of others in certain technologies. Let's summarize the pros and cons. Pros: ability to choose the best tool for each task, access to the latest innovations, and flexibility in your toolkit. Cons: higher initial cost for different batteries and accessories, as well as possible compatibility issues. So, does brand loyalty pay off? It really depends on your needs and preferences. If you value a streamlined, compatible setup and have a brand you trust across the board, sticking with one brand can be beneficial. However, if you're looking to optimize each tool for specific tasks and stay on the cutting edge of technology, mixing and matching might be the way to go. Do you prefer brand loyalty or brand diversity in your toolkit? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this discussion, be sure to check out our next video where we explore whether or not some of the new tool features are innovations or gimmicks.